hawks. You will be my passenger in this 3.0 SD. Let's go, guys. You passengers sitting here on that seat, I will not put your seat belt because you are in an X5. You don't need it. Always put your seat belt, but for the driver, for you know. Okay, lights on, direct, and guys, park. Let's go. Just remember, guy, don't shit your pants, please. Hold on, passenger. Let's see the brakes. Good brakes. And on sport, the gearbox is clever enough to downshift. 580 Newton meters, really responsive, and you're putting them to the ground through the X-Drive, so you really feel them, even though it's a 2.2 well. You want to feel these Newton meters, guys? Okay? You feel it? In no time. This car actually is 7 seconds to 100, which is really great for its size. And if you upgrade it, it's actually faster than my X5 with the V8. Yeah, it's faster than by at least half second. And if you remap it, guys, to around 400 horsepower and 800 Newton meters, it will be just brutal. It will broke everything. It will just throw away all the 4x4 parts because of so much Newton meters. But it will really a blast to drive. And it already feels really quick, doesn't feel lazy. You know, most of the cars which are on chip tuned nowadays look really lazy when you step on them, but this one has the aggression. It's not lazy at all. Brakes are good, really good. It stops really nice. I feel good in that car. It's a little bit bumpy, but that's the price to pay for a performance SUV. But the most incredible thing here is the transmission and the engine, of course. The engine is so powerful. You request power from it and it's super direct. It has 580 Newton meters of torque and has a nice range of power. Not only peak power, but nice range, which is very important, because small turbo keeps the low RPM running well, and the bigger turbo push it to more than 4.5 K RPM. No any turbo lag. See that? Really direct. Especially if you put, for example, second gear and you're in the boost really early. It feels much better engine actually compared to 272 horsepower E60 engine I had. It has just a nice fusion between power, grip and BMW feeling of directness and a really powerful engine. How is it in the corners? Well, it's really good. Of course it has a little bit of body roll after you're sitting on the top of your third series being there, but it still handles well with some body roll, a little body roll, which change lanes nice without leaning too much. But BMW know how to do SUVs, sport SUVs. Guys, how is the transmission? Well, on 6th gear with 100, no more gears guys, no 7th gear, with 120 I'm at little bit above 2000 RPM, and with 100 kilometers I'm currently with 100. It's below 2000, maybe 1.8, 1800 RPMs. Of course, this is SUV. It can be as good as the cars in terms of fuel economy and low RPMs on high speed, but it's a heavy thing, you know. The gearbox is shorter, of course. Do it whole day because it's so addictive to feel it. aggressive, and it doesn't feel wrong doing that like in the most big cars. It's really all together doing that, and I like this. I like that car, really like it. It has torque to move mountains, guys. Let's see here on that corner. The traction first, a little bit of understeer and then oversteer. It's a BMW, so well balanced too. Not as well as the cars, of course, but still pretty nice. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this passenger POV video. I hope you feel like what it's like to be inside. You can watch our POV driving video in our channel. Stay tuned for our new videos, new cars we drive and the things we do with the cars. Thank you guys. Put the awards on, don't forget. Stay healthy and drive your car. Bye guys. And don't put dislike if you don't like it, just go away guys.